11. Which one of following statement is true for all positive function fn? Fn square equal theta of fn का whole square. Fn is polynomial. Fx is polynomial a x की power n plus b x की power n minus 1 up to any constant. When n is 1, ax plus b x की power 1 minus 1 that is a 0, x की power 0 that is a 1, ax plus b. When a is 2, b is 0 that is 2x plus 0 that is polynomial function fx equal 2x. Fn square equals to the theta of fn का whole square when able to find out at least two positive constant c1 dot gn less than equal fn and c2 dot gn. fn is 2, fx is 2x and fx का square that is a 2x का square and gn is fn का whole square. fn का whole square that is a 2x का whole square that is a 4x square. When c1 is 1 by 2, 2x का square that equals to the 2x का square and 4n square is greater than 2x का square. So c1 is 1 by 2, c2 is 1. At least two positive constant को find out करना था, that is 1 by 2 and 1. So option number A is correct. Option number B, fn square equals to small o fn का whole square. When every positive constants able to find out fn is less than c dot gn. gn is 4n का square and fn is 2n square. When c is 1 by 4, that is 2n square is not less than n square. So option number B is incorrect when c is 1 by 4. Option number C, fn square equals to big O of fn का whole square when fn is exponential function. Exponential means 2 की power n. So at least positive constant को find out करना है. fn less than equals to c dot gn. fn is 2n का square, 2 की power n का square and gn is 2 की power n का whole square. That is n square is not less than 2n because whole square था, that is a 2n. n square is not less than 2n because n square growth rate is greater than 2n. So option number C is incorrect. Option number D में polynomial function given नहीं है. Let fn is log n. When fn is log n का square greater than होना चाहिए ओमेगा फंक्शन में c dot gn के. So gn is fn का whole square log n का whole square that is a c dot log n 2 log n equals to greater than equals to c dot log n log n से log n cancel out. 2 is not greater than log n. So option number D is incorrect. Correct answer is A.